Are you very diligent at a craft or skill and you're looking for a space to create your valuable content? Look no further, because we've got you covered at Setro's Foundations Hub. Yes, maybe you're into the catering department or hairstyling or barbing, or what we call the makeup artistry. We also have a space for fashion, we have a photo studio and a space for comedy shoots and whatever, all at no cost. This is very free for the indigent but diligent African youth. So mind you, to qualify, you must be an indigent but a very diligent African youth. And for those that are just starting up their businesses and they need a space like this for content creation, the foundation is also giving you at an highly discounted rate. So provided you're within anywhere in Lagos, just reach out to us on the numbers showing below. And if you know anyone that falls within this category, please try to forward this video to them. Yes, catch you, love you, bye bye.